Hi! In front of me is Samsung F34 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting a chat. Now click on this plus at the bottom left corner. And to add an audio file, select Files section. Then click on Audio filter at the top and look for your file in Recent Ones or select one of those apps. If you want to, you can even click on those three lines at the top left corner and access one of those sources, like downloads. Wherever you decided, after locating your file, hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. So when I do that, as you can see, my file was successfully added. In order to add a video on, select Gallery section instead of Files. Click on your video right away over here and choose one of those options, Google Photos link or video. Then tap on Just Once or Always in the pop-up. You can also click on Gallery, select your file over here, do exactly the same, but this time click on Add at the top right corner. Lastly, you can click on Gallery, select Folders on the left, and then look for your video the same way as an audio file before. When you find it, hold it and click on Select. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!